The cover page is a required section for all UNLV Graduate College final documents, whether this is your thesis, dissertation, or doctoral project. So here we're at the website unlv.edu/graduatecollege/thesis. Go down to number 5, organization of your thesis and dissertation. And here you'll see all of the different formatting manuals that we provide. So let's go here to the cover page manual, and you'll see step-by-step instructions for how to organize your cover page. So the first step will be the title. Your title should be at the top of the page, centered, and in all capital letters. So how we can do this here, we can change this to be in all caps. You'll just go here and then change to all uppercase. And if your title is more than one line, it should be formatted in the shape of an inverted triangle, with the longest line at the top and then the shortest line at the bottom. So we'll move this down to the next line. Also, if your title is more than one line, it should be double spaced. Just a note, this is the only part or component of your cover page that should be double spaced. Okay, and now we're going to enter by. So after your name, you're going to go down 2 more lines. And now we're going to enter the student's previous degrees. So first you're going to put the title of the degree. Then you're going to put a dash, so space, dash, space, and then the degree you received. Okay, then on the next line, you're going to put the institution, and then on the final line, you're going to put the year. Okay, and remember, all of the other sections on your cover page should be single spaced and set to 0. So I'm going to go ahead and check that now. Go up to Format, Paragraph. And then here in the third section, you'll see under spacing, line spacing, we're going to switch to single. And then as it shows here, the before and after should be set to 0 point. Okay. And then you can just go down 2 more spaces. Same thing, Master of Arts or whatever the degree is. And then again, the next line, institution, followed by the year. And again, make sure those are all single spaced. Okay, so the next section on our cover page is going to be the degree you are receiving. But before we put that, all students should have the following line in their cover page. A thesis, dissertation, or doctoral project submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirements for the second word there will change depending on what degree you're receiving, but for our example, we have a dissertation, so that's what we're going to use there. And be sure for that line, you split the sentence between fulfillment and of, so that of is on the second line with a lowercase o in of. You're going to write the title of the degree, and then a dash, and then the name of the degree. Okay, then we're going to go down a couple more lines. You can go 2 or 3, but just make sure you have spacing in between each component. And then in that next section, we're going to put the name of your department on the first line. Then on the next line will be the college. Finally, you'll have the graduate college on the third line. Okay, then we're going to go a couple more lines down to our final component, which is going to be University of Nevada, Las Vegas. And then on the final line, it's going to be the semester in which your degree is conferred. May, August, or December, depending on which semester that would be for you, followed by the year. So now we have our final completed cover page here. We have the title at the top, centered in all caps, in the shape of an inverted triangle if it's more than one line, and also double spaced if it's more than one line, followed by with a capitalized B, followed by your official name as found on UNLV. Then you'll have your previous degree sections, followed by the statement, a dissertation submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirements for the, and then the degree you're receiving. Then we have the department, college, and graduate college, followed by UNLV and the date. And now you have your completed cover page.